Okay, so you say about that. I give us for us. Say.
Me try picture there to the Instagram page.
I see.
It be say my am we should be why. Me try there to the Instagram page. Na na ya brefo. Brefo na da ya. Who Instagram? Sorry. Brefo na ya. Who the person of na ya come me Instagram page. Wo ni me ye. Brefo na ya. O person of no. That no am dey to Adom TV ye page ni so. Yeah, why you see? Come and see people watching. So drop it. Come and see people watching. Any idea mesra wo ko Adom TV ye page ne so na o de ko brefo na ya Instagram na de hwehwem wo me Facebook na ya brefo na like me page me Facebook ya na ya brefo like my page bibi e be ko so na pay ye discuss ni nyina no ade a smart media da roma or tamale wo betwa no wo de ato me page so wo betimi access ho so yenko
police phobia
say asa wonim na obisa ye say akosi say yes we de obi fie
Daily Graphic. Another scam hits police as 3 assist in investigations into recruitment. NDC MPP select candidates for tenancy by election. BT Baba. Ghana Olympic Committee. I see. Controversy. DICs apply for expression of interest to settle judgment debt. And Zamfara Commission report ready for sale. Sodom and Gomorrah demolition exposes illegal connections. Daily Graphic and also the other.
And the only that away na expose the Asem. So no man go around no makwadura go illegal connection dey na honko mesramo hokran kam koka. Boro me kura we dey amufa kan daily mu ho elia bi ho so asa also illegal connection sa na sumu ho ne ade a wo ko ha be hu se we na isi difo sa elia no kro mu ntumi nko so no ma upa kwai na koye connection illegal bro kura wa beto pega ho Asem na Daily Graphic dey abetudwa wa mutre ma ne aposifo biemo aposifo dan no Asem no kura so wo mu hu di agosie ene ye hu di agosie obi papa ya wanya post seye timbila mebo a yenim di Asem na kwakosie wo mutre aposifo mi ensa bi afa kwati kwan bi so atwa forms yo yase grofo afa trank twa boss wa so mu kwa secondary school so mu kwa police station ewa amamole ho no ma na mse Ghana fo de wo ma so de ma so de angaza wo ha no bi afro na unim connection man menya be 400 million. Person ko America
400 million.
And I'm say o say o menya 40,000 Ghana to sa wo de ko America 40,000 open connection mine ofa tutu so e why na mo de ma so de no wo ha na ya kuwait hwan ya utu o mo fokora wo mo nti bi ni ya wo nti say yes de wakoto kotuaka enu ya na post for Asem ma ye nka wiye wo sa akwaja amobole ba ko no kura de na police training center we de amamole ho na sa Asem no asi ho Asem aba graphic mu. Online na Rockman Roman ye online story se brew.
Quick one, Rockman force menka say bribia da no ya de nya de pa nti so bi ma no adura ya de ebo akese pa won nu abadwa so titru Rockman capsules ebo ma nei be ma odu sie ni ma na kasa do so pi no enti be ye free prekope edama eno akire so no ebia na be ma na umbo number wonti mi bo ma bo number and have a low sperm count so edu nya wonto ase prekope edama won rock capsules raw garlic mixture Malarok and have a rock tonic and have a rock cool laxative so ewo honum de tienie frɛ anasa betimanya bi wo Kumasi Alaba Abu station one sika ni sika ne di efie ne di enhwe enkran Adenta Pantan Junction Madina New Road one ben Anglican asafo no one other Roma Adwada Company Fiada online stories Rock Clinic in Edinburgh
Rock Clinic for other Roma Edinburgh we na me tia me be on my Facebook or me fan and I say well like my page no you can also like my page and I abefo someone my joy online and Adom le ekoka ni Adom online dia betudwa and I say I plan to be have big bottles like Nicki Minaj and say big bottles I Asem ketwa okwa adomonline.com wa and as Asem Kofi Adams na tisu say NDC launches agenda 50-50 we see region dan no say penny kwa we dai was it tempe we see region NDC for ekugudam kopie mu ho say tempe ni ade a ho Asem adomonline.com the ababe to ya papa boga ya konta ya se moga Africa mas de simna pia ade a afei wo mokwa akoba mat no mat ne benya baso ya de a watinti pie akoti ahemfo ene asofo ene president adada afo ni nana wo mo bebo exit match de amado 10 Ghana for your pocket yo mekwa ko hebi menye ni pa to celebrating de omde mko kuma so mafa banko we de 10 Ghana omde sikam go tua ko hebi ene ade ho Asem Adom online yakọ my joy onelife.com my dry onelife.com and the pronounce so dia wodi abanie agenda 50-50 and also my joy one like the about to join this for any other say still ready. Hey, woman MPP for better I am papa. 80% of murder at night. And no one some more. Ya said I no campaign across so our is this your bro cry some catwasio. As she was papa. I didn't 50-50 now. I said I never pay as any other. And also my joy1life.com the ababa to more. I aquamian will be sa, Nana Quamia, and Anabo. Was say I buy so a church switch here, a bank switch here, more more bank switch contract or much more buy better him as a bank switch. No, who will be? Maybe be a man who that. It's walk. I asked a white elephant.
Bank switch near destination inspection company.
And I east switch.
The east switch now, bank switch near. Or no money can normally buy or contract. Anna a problem about
I know you're
I know you. It is a patrol. It is a money it is ICS. Almost ICS. Inspection control services.
Our customs.
Custom. Almost letters.
Wamuna now see another one place. Who can be our one there or make them.
The TNS contract. There is a bank station, the home bar sempa. Emma MPP paying for be crown sembemo. So until there be your peers in Canada. Your peers in Canada. Name was
terminated contract.
And your mom judgment the SASI cut to treat you.
Terminated contract. Judgment debt and will be someone. It's not terminated. And the by terminated. NDC
early days, you know. So inspection companies, you know, no person side the Jamaica customs before because some see, I don't know my GC system. Idea, and what and make one who shall craft us about say, you go contract, destination inspection.
Now come back to customs
but to
buy and not there said no buy. Fufra ban woman the back home. Fufra ban woman the back home.
Trust you. I'm Pedu.
David say you would some munti if you are Pedu. If you are Pedu, oh, Cassia Dominic so one my Casa. Come now, when you are well informed, Cassia Dominic so can to match them.
Oh,
Casamitier,
ye Rasm Kesee, in Como Kesee Pie Biddy. DIC is the Omo Asem, and the whole Poyo, DIC, and you're the Kito, and you're the special expression companies. Oh, also my bro. Oh, young could try on my name Rasm Kesee, Yakwaba.
Which that,
Adom TV. You want your mother, Pema, when it change. You want Adom TV. You want your mother, Pema, when it change.
well, how now be you? We are somewhere.
I'll bet you well, happy birthday, come on, Mrs. Ampedu. Mrs. Ampedu. Or Germany.
Okay. And no, not a Ampedu father. Okay. No, I had that. When I say, I know what I so I believe Galilee.
Okay. So, Mrs. Happy birthday.
Yeah,
Germany, the Motia, so I'm sorry. It's more again. It's going to Vite more.
Mr. Vite, noodles.
Is it Vite more?
Vite. Noodles. Vite.
All right, so
noodles.
Happy birthday, oh Germany. Dominic, Ujai, the boy. The way you call
my man, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mrs. Ampedu. Welbeck Ampedu. And now I want a happy birthday to you. We love you. You need your papa, Yamisha Wate. No, it's now so or the one bedroom here. One by a brother, yeah, because Sodom and Gomorrah. Yeah, the AC, Sodom and Gomorrah down. A whole sono. Now, I prefer see ye in our suit and yen. It's when we are family, I say, the night. You're going for you, but now I feel a dear common. Yakwaba.
They're starting the matter. So came back, we got to realize that everything was cut down. So later on, the fire got started.
Have your things have been destroyed?
Yeah, exactly. We were at work. So when they called us that the place was cut for
we were pelted by some miscreants with stones. We managed to contain the situation and then carried on with the exercise. unfortunately, they regrouped away from our location and set fire to the other structures. And so that is what we are faced with now.
The matter with the penny be that. You got people for enough. Why do you come to Qatar? You go to the I don't be Ghanaian. Eh? But I don't be Ghanaian. So you make what we can do right now. See people with them here. Where you go sleep? Ask yourself how you go sleep. See.
The lorry fare 1.5. The last month 500,000, 540. Right now, yesterday starting here, everybody go house 1.5. Document station 1 million. Why? You are very nice. Here the tamale 1.5. Why? If you want to scatter here, bring the gas. Everybody enter go free.
You see, there's a lot of countries having a place like this. Even California, America, every place have a place like this. And the fingers are not equal. We are not the same. If I don't have to steal. I have to come and manage myself here. Later on, I'll find a different place and go. And you don't have right to come and demolish. We know that you are present, but you don't have to demolish people like this, destroy every place like this, and then we don't have any place to go. Even if we are in fasting, at least you should let us finish the fasting.
As Chief Executive of the Accra Metropolitan Assembly, I have an equal responsibility to all the people of Accra. Last 2 weeks, we lost 159 souls. They had rights. You understand? The people who are living on this, what we call it in the middle, they have rights. They have rights. The right that I have towards them is public safety. January, I came here and I spent over 4 million Ghana cedis to clean the edges of the Kole. That time I gave them warning. A year ago, when they set the whole place here on fire, I came here with my works director and I gave them warning that they should stop and shouldn't build it. They built. You understand? So this is the moment I've given them. I've been in office for 7 years. Of those 7 years, every day I've given them a warning.
We have to get a patience for them, finding the car for them, everybody to go in place peacefully.
But how many buses are available?
Just only 10 buses we are arranging to come. But as of now, 4 buses are around. But we are still needing more buses to. In my suggestion, we are sitting, but this one there, always Vanderpool was saying to come and demolishing the thing, no? Almost 6 months now. But we are just sitting. Yesterday we are just sitting, seeing people who are coming. We are not aware about anything. So because for that, yesterday we are starting loading passengers to be going to our hometown. Okay. That's Tamale. Uncountable. We can't count them because we are not counting them. But the buses was taking 60 passengers, sometimes 45. Like 10 buses to go. When they came, they won't get a place to stay. And they are not intentional to be going, but the place they have been staying, they are just demolishing, so there's no place to stay. Because for that, they are going. But like if the house is good, nobody will come to Accra. Here is the business center, and everybody was staying there. But now, everybody will pack to the hometown.
That's the story. Sodom and Gomorrah, and then the Abahodo Ko. 1% called this Abiana, Aya de Fufro, Magana, Titri in Anya,
Yahoo Recreational Center.
Then Peko Jubos, Dina Binimasha, Casacasa, the Papa Siabacumasino. Aya, and they yet even poor, you could be a poor, Itimico.
Where the police were open with that.
They're being at him. You got that to jump for his and now for Kumasi, Chabreme, the shows you know, the say, okay, so that's the story, Sodom and Gomorrah.
But I say, Momonko, why should they go? For me, I don't think I have no Muya Center, they should find other places.
But the point is, I have fun no better
for now. Because they should be back. Mrs. Kao,
and cry,
Casa or Nasam Ketwa. Kakra no man na no come who bomb ko high 1 room na areas no mun tram no mun adwuma adwuma wa ha no mun kwa gbobolo so won kwa adwuma because the market is still there.
Okay.
Oh edwadie no wo hostel enti wo mun pe ba bia ko mu bom na yenum no ma high dan no ma tram no ma kwa adwuma. Oh
that's a suggestion by Nana Brefo but
business center
fire victims, flood victims, baby and near Palmomo, ABC Nekra. Yeah. Nti
where na so to man go more there omu nya ba bi mpema o papa na om de om kom anyway I knew say some time ago om yes om betu om no om pa ba bi ma om say nko om nko te nko no manko wo ha but at the moment me to be interest om pa bi ma
0302-211-701 up to 4 0302-211-701 up to 4 Nana Kweku is on the second and pay Nana bedumi hene now yan Kobe hin of Breman traditional area ya chawa no pay Nana Afo Nyako the second Kronti hene of Breman traditional area and the Bushia paying Kweku Krampa Mose Moshe Bidjem ayi honorable Bochi the Bushia paying in Nana no so ni nwa ba so da form e wo 27 minutes yeah weekend ye ni do so Kwesi Brenya Kenya CMC ne papa ya nkasa
na George Mr. no so program papa no be pa na pa bia no he ono so
okay yan kwa mba no so honorable said good morning apop saying
good morning Nana ya ko ya wa ha na mo so mo what say
na Adom boko
we dey nyame en share George mete ne papa film weekend yi nyina be ba na the jam na ma me chache ma izito me champion chema o say here ma ene chema smile wa waso na so do man gomora nsemu di yesere say nya dia Ghana for ye fe say o mo de ba be politics because akọ so ache na say me e ho abeda ho a nye ka si die ye tu o mu e fa no mo kwetena sisi ye we de bebo aye na na the chronicle dey atum bi bai e fa western region and the di ma no no fa say e ba pope na say mo mo de regional minister performances bi mo bai and the care ko boku de wie no duma di na ato aso bi na te e we nim senke be ba western in fact the credit e ba pope Joy was did watch it e wa kunya so hijack development
wanyade
nti o mo hwe no mo se fa no ne e ho ntan western region
wate what as papa na John Otu Hayford water crade and wa woda o former student of Cape Coast Polytechnic and wa woda happy birthday to you good morning. It's a great Fiema boys and guests for me, especially Honorable Poku Edward and MC Guru Mboma Aguna Edino Susan Yankwe.
Our praise good morning upon saying
Ama mejo so no mo so wapom boko de
na Adom boko
ya unu na ya brief ma mo wase
okay
so me tia no
majoso
ama ma me fa akonya wo so fa ma emfa enchia me pastor na me ni pa o kromo a o divine power ministry before set a o kromo na ko po nshira papa no pa ama em se ene sumo gomole amu asem na ka mbeka but me de meka western region because ha na ewo se de me ni a asiedu beka e no regional minister wo ye region mu ano ye besra o mampanyi president John Mahama papa no ye nyina ye kata sila college kase ekuhye papa no kwa papa ntimi ka ye se o ma ye kwan me ma nchen o dara na o ma ye ne obeka na yesu se sila college o western region e be se ye di adwuma di etu fom ye be se ye be kasa biom no kura because as a regional minister no ye papa no se bibi koso ye region mu be se bo mane a utumi ka se me ma wo nchen because obi anko the DC ni na MP ho na we regional minister na say wo college be se ba wo nchen na ka say yanko ye DC ni ye MP ho a na say regional wudi or minister na wudi ni say ye be se o mampanyi president Omama because I say we next say yakuma ye be se beka ba ye say the ACP no say want to send regional minister na western region be lusu papa
Achebo Mwache has been a regional minister for a long time but obi ade ade na sa but onya ade de ne na echebe no show okuba no
USAID na we are Ghana Fire Service Ghana Fire Service for Kreko ye dey na gbo bia
happy birthday nkoma Lizzy ya wo sefi there bi so and wa woda happy birthday freaking George and I'll see him for my
Benito Mache
me juso
okay it you
we dey ma mfata ko nyanza na mintia kefunya na min achifu Adom TV na ta be dia ko disi yo wat mango beja o se nka so chopa na fade din wan fana an wo no nti okay
mo fanche katela na se no a ai funyina na samu mo shada ja bi asa
Yo, we dey my bought my penny John Dramani Mama Abaso. Jumadia Oba Santimamua, Obedi, Emsen carrier for Yanyaji Papa second. Say, we see mutual hospital, say, Pao, a Chimango Beja, this is ya. Nothing so over Shenko, Tapanswa, as you see, I was one. But my penny by a needy, it is a Santimam, yet 12 years, Ambassador Manana, Yilbonia. I feel so no, Mr. Oma. Almost a doom and Gumura. I dare cause one and Yana, one who says he through one. And put out and some be a you until my company and go mother for why on my chance says, one, Monfanya your politics. Then we will be on court, no company over a day. And yet, no one will M. What say, and people will be a good in another city. The best I say, Omuna, and then not Nipanqua any year. There is no man for that. We ain't find your politics. Then go so on the money or my penny. Na be ma mputu mum emre omanu.
Yo, Mamentia Martinoti Jaco.
Okay.
Na say enkom hotel manager ba ko pre MPP prime minister bi woteti ma no.
Neba.
Ah wenya. Oh wenya.
Yonga Jaco.
Ah ti etiano. Oh na wonka. Ya wenya. Nti emontoma no why? Ya emontoma no ma MP. What is say 22.
Oh bebo.
Ah nka me campaign etiano. Boboro de enu no.
Obo no mo de.
Montomaro Jaco. Enkom hotel ba. Madam no.
Idrisu, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Nana me pacho Idris me baby ni. I'm say your friend sample your original minister na Asem na for kan.
Hey, na ti se so no ngoma amun ka bi wo.
Oh, so dey Asem me.
Monka. Ka. Yeah. No paso ka Western region.
I'm saying yenya we Western region. Me embaka enu so Asem aka. Yenya Western region about the regional minister ni yana in fact Oguya and this abai ni mas papa. Yeah, so abai so once Sunday Western region. And I know bubu on cry no. Hello.
Patrick.
You know, Mubu and Klein, your best friend, more beyond find your politics. Yen money, yen man, that go on. It's your best friend, or Munkonom Cotap, Juma Papa the year. And you know, and Papa, Mr. Juma be I. Never maybe I'm not telling you.
I said,
Papa, no, Nimpa 4, no, a dime back on high. No, it's your best friend, say, no, Fabu 4, and Kesee,
all right, that's it.
And I pay was a crop for. One say Busumi ni woman who liked that. Because of your say transformer breakdown, ECG for other Busumi me de a dose to the woman who no mkoye wejuma and farm my woman. Good morning. How is Bank of Ghana going with DKM? DKM for us,
no, but DKM for us, yes, Madaroma.
Wamumra na to etam. Mumba to etam. Mumra na mumba to etam na pia juma na ya bre. Enti obi antwa ye ka. Emomra meto etam na mun chechire nkofo sika wo mo. Amanfo fra na frefre send message. Ade na ha wo. Ya kirem na mugusu ye ngusu ye nim na ni so. Momra na machirem. Aha maka magene. Mawie.
Okay, so that's it. Nana Fabicious of MPJ.
You was good morning Nana. How about Kofi Ghana case no? Apako sisai.
Osi Kofi Ghana CCCA don't make na kasa. Osi on fa krata bia meto abonten. Omo ye hwehwemu dio ode sa krata no e bai. So on don tro krata bia.
Yo. GTP for new star am for say ehwan ye fe omo e na amayentuma. E na afa me de end Gloria D na pama me wo dance mai. E na pama me ane adadia wo bo adwuma papa.
Eresia dan for diabetes dan for mixture adaroma otisi ya oyam na timu tiye ya okonfichi obi eto ka akoma ba pepe ya dan for diabetes mixture no so no odepo honam ehojo anase ojo so atese atwu yi pa na mixture no so bebo kwanso nkoso for ni che na bo acho kanshi drug lane kenso ko kanshi drug lane Kumasi Freddie Mens and Colinac Takra the AMS Market Cycle Bogo so unique apps and more Takwa Owase Bibidufi Oboase Smart Herbal Sunyane Mosaic Pharmacy and Green Light Pharmacy Fred Dr. Asnod and Mama Ruby on 020-7872-155 and 0246493230. One other Roma, a Juada copy me fiada, double crata, a year, a tiffin, Asem Kesee, yɛde ɛbrɛ.
Yes, sir. So ankasa nana asamwa wo fe yase happy belated birthday to you.
Fe yase.
Fe yase.
Okay. Ɛde asi wala sa ekra do ɔde ago kɛse ɛbrɛ.